Where are we? We are in Kananaskis country at the Fullerton Trail Loop. This is the Fullerton Trip. Fullerton Trip.
Trail.
Where's the map?
But which one?
This is absolutely crazy. I'm walking in dry land in middle of January in the Alberta foothills. And look how gorgeous it is. Sorry, I should have brought my gimbal. Look at that.
How big of a set? More of us like this.
It'll be on the side anyways, because, you know, Mark, but that's okay.
You know what?
It's okay.
He's been eating onions, he's been eating
I know.
tomatoes.
What is going on, Mark? Yeah. Turning over new shit.
They're pretty well. Cool. I think it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool.
I'm just gonna use this. Oh, to freeze? So cut it in half.
So to use it,
Or,
just,
yeah, whatever.
I'm always like, and cut.
Someday, good.
Well, you want to do me a favor? You want to dice some cucumber?
Dice,
How do you
Right.
how do you get around the
Well, no, I stabbed. Actually, this is the knife I...
some really good. Louise, you want to get some dishes for some morning?
Like that. Which one do we want for the bones? Because there's this one. But is this one going to be big enough for the bones?
Yeah. For all of us?
Yeah.
You mean just in the middle of
and some olive oil too?
With my gimp hand.
There's the broken arm, guys. But we're here to help. We are here to help.
Mark don't like my camera. So I'm gonna ask him again. What are you doing, Mark?
We are doing door panels, finishing touches on a basic build for the door.
And why did you put that tape around the door?
To seal it off.
No, I mean the green tape, honey.
The green tape? Oh, that's my template for the panel.
So yeah, the problem there was no really template to know what's the sizes of.
Yeah. So what I do is I double up my tape, and then I draw a line, and then I just transfer that off and put that right on a piece of wood, and then that's all we do.
You see the conditions we're working on.
What's the handle?
Oopsie. This is the end result. This is how it looks. Which is really great. Because this is how it looked before. Yay! After cutting, we are sanding down. Sanding whatever we need to sand. All the edges. And this would go here.
This is just quick sanding.
Quick sanding.
Quick sand.
But look, I pointed close up in these. Closing all the holes. So on this improvised workshop, as you can see, Mark is doing the wood parts.
Yeah. So this is the wood that I got when I was building the Odyssey, and I left this here, a 4x8 sheet of 1/4 inch nice plywood. So when I was asking around for plywood, Rory's like, dude, you got a sheet in the freaking garage? So this was left, 4x8 sheet, brand new piece.
And it's going to box the wheels after finishing the installation here. And on the other side it
Oh, it's actually... Don't record that.